happy holidays. It's December and I wanted to do some extra uploads for you guys. I'm also posting tons of stuff over on my vlog channel too, like some fun holiday content, but I wanted to bring you guys a gift guide. So I spent a lot of time this year thinking about the products that I actually use, that I actually love, that isn't thrifted, because you know, I also have a lot of stuff like that that's either vintage, I found at flea markets, but things that I actually have bought that are new, that would make great gifts. And I know this year it looks a little different, but we're keeping the Christmas spirit alive. Stay tuned until the end. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I've been needing to do a giveaway forever. You guys, I'm so grateful for each and every one of you for being here. The DIY family has grown so much this year. With such a weird year, I've got a lot to be thankful for, and it's all because of you guys. So thank you. We're gonna do a giveaway, but let's do a gift guide first. I feel like this year especially, supporting local businesses, supporting small businesses, small creatives is so much more important. So this is gonna be a gift guide of a combination of both. I've shopped local, I've shopped small, and then mixed in are a little bit of, you know, regular stuff. First, I feel like whenever I get this as a gift, I'm like, oh, thank goodness. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for getting me this. Always something that you can't go wrong with, especially if it's a good one. And we're talking about candles, especially when they're soy candles. So my friend Jackie has an amazing candle line, and she is coming out with all new scents for the holidays. Oh, and her company is called Olive & Company. I'll leave all of her information below. She is the sweetest human. So this year she has this super cute gift set with sample sizes of 3 of her holiday scents. Evergreen and Holly Berry is one of them. Oh my gosh. Christmas tree goodness. The Holly Berry makes it sweet. Oh, so good. And then Peppermint Hot Chocolate. Oh my gosh, it really does smell like peppermint hot chocolate. And then Sugar Cookie Gingerbread. Oh my gosh. Smells like I'm baking. I feel like this makes the perfect gift because it's 3 candles and it comes in this just like cute little set. And all of her candles are 100% natural soy wax. And then she also has a new gift wrapped candle box, and the container is silver, and it's just special for the holidays that she's making. This one is the Evergreen and Holly Berry that we smelled. So get one for a gift and then also buy one for yourself for your house. You can never go wrong with candle accessories too. So if you wanted to kind of bundle something together. So I picked up these local shop here called Rolling Greens that I get all of my plants at. They're a small business here. There's only 2 locations and they have beautiful home decor. So I went and shopped in there last week just for some fun items and to support them. And look at these candle accessories. So you've got your wick trimmer, and it's beautiful in gold. And if you can find these locally at a shop, definitely do, but I'll link where you can get them online as well. So this one is a trimmer, so you should always keep your wicks at 1/4 of an inch high. So you should be trimming after every use. Also, this matching candle snuffer. You'll snuff out the wick so that the flame is gone, and then you'll trim it to 1/4 of an inch so that you can burn it next time. This just makes a really pretty gift. So you could do this, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Also, matches. Okay, I was at Rolling Greens. Hi, hello, who is she? I was like, whoa, hello, Fireplace Matches. If you have someone with a fireplace, this is a stunning piece of decor. So it's long matches that you can light your fireplace with. There's a cork on the bottom that then they'll come out like that. And then the striker, the match striker, is right here on the front. And it's beautiful, like the spiral in the glass. Now, I have a confession. This was a little more on the expensive side, but I had to have it. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of this. This is staying with me, or this would be, Mom, I hope you're not watching this because I feel like this would be really beautiful in your home, so you may be getting this as a gift. This was actually $55, but it's stunning. Something like this that's a piece of decor plus matches is out of budget. You can also buy matches. I got these black tipped matches on Etsy, and then I got some Palo Santo wood on Etsy, and then also some striker paper on Etsy. And my intention was to put the striker paper on the bottom so that I could strike my matches. I just put it in a jar that I had made out of the baking soda paint, thrifted this, made such a cute gift. Imagine making that for someone. So I'll link all of these. I got all of this stuff on Etsy and thrifted the vase. This is like budget-friendly kind of candle accessory. Also with candles, I have been obsessed with taper candles lately. And a small business called A Floral Society has beautiful taper candles. These are emerald green. These are the ones that I use in my house. I obviously thrift a lot of my candlesticks. I've been collecting these brass candle holders, but you can find some beautiful handmade pottery that is for candles, for taper candles, and I feel like that just makes such a statement for someone. A Floral Society has all different colors, beautiful colors that are really in style right now, and also they have different like textures on their candles. I love having books around, obviously. I collect them, vintage ones that I find at thrift stores, but also coffee table books that I love that are home-based, or I feel like there's a book for everyone. Architecture, cooking, home, decor, fashion. I feel like you almost can't go wrong with a book as well, like you can't go wrong with a candle. So I wanted to share some of my favorite ones that I have throughout my house, plus a new one that I got. I always also look for books that are great on the inside, the contents, and pretty on the outside. So this one is a great neutral color to stack. It looks good on a bookshelf, it looks good on your coffee table. It also is just beautiful. I've already read this one actually. Also, this Down to Earth book is amazing. I love really like warm, rustic interiors, and I just love flipping through beautiful, beautiful spaces. So all of my books obviously are for the home decor gal or guy. This is Home book is absolutely stunning. This one always stays on my coffee table. I love it. I love it. I love books. I love them. I love them both. Read them and have them around. This is one that I just got when I went to Rolling Greens, and it's called Living with Nature, Decorating with the Rhythms of the Season. Just bringing nature indoors, and it talks about like inspiration and where things come from and different materials, all the natural styles and how they're accented with different colors, and it's stunning. So definitely think about books. I like to get people things that I think that they're going to enjoy, but that's a lot of pressure, you know, like what if they don't like it? What if, you know? So I feel like coffee table books are just like something that they'll hang on to and read and have and style in their home. So another thing that I found at Rolling Greens when I was there was this beautiful puzzle. I was like, holy cow, this is a double-sided puzzle. It's only 500 pieces, but it has two sides. So it has the flowers in the back of the truck, and then also just the abundance of flowers, so you can flip it over. This one is from a company called Floret Flower Farm. So I'm gonna link their website. I bought something like this for someone that's just a gardener or someone that just loves flowers, especially right now when we're home and we can do like a puzzle like this. And 500 pieces isn't that much. For our next gift, this is more for our cooks or just anyone that cooks at home. See, I'm not a cook, but I appreciate good cookware, and I cannot tell you how much I love this cookware. Now this is the larger fry pan. This is my Caraway collection of cookware, and it's so amazing. It's super non-stick. Everything slides off. It's super easy to clean. You don't have to over oil your food when you're making it. And I've made everything in it. You can buy them individually, like per piece, or you can buy it as a whole set. It comes with this super functional and pretty hot lid hanger. It sticks onto the back of anything really, and we put it inside of our cabinet, and it hangs all of the lids perfect. You never have to go searching for it. And then it also comes with stands for each of your pots. They also come in super fun colors. So I have the cream color. I love it. So if you have a chef in your family, if you have just a cook, everyone cooks, you know? How would someone not like something like this? Also for the cook, or just maybe the non-cook, an air fryer. You cannot go wrong with an air fryer. I feel like air fryers kind of gained in popularity by like the masses over the last maybe 2 years or so, when I really started to hear people talk about air fryers. I love the air fryer. It's healthier for you, it's quicker, it's easier to use, it cleans. I love ours. I know that there are others on the market, maybe in different budgets. This one I got from Amazon, and it's just the best thing. You know when you have like leftovers and you have French fries and it's never gonna be the same, they're gonna get soggy, they're never gonna be the same. You just put them in the air fryer and they're perfect again. Another thing that I recently got that I didn't know that I would love as much as I did is a vanity mirror. Now I had a weird vanity mirror before, and this one is pretty. This is a pretty vanity mirror. It's simple, there's no lights, it's just super clean lines. I didn't need light where it was. So if you have someone that's super into beauty, or you know, maybe this is not ideal for them, they're gonna want like LED lights to brighten it up or whatever. But no joke, I love this thing. And it looks great as decor sitting on my vanity. This you will see very soon. And I was like, this makes a perfect gift. So I was at, clearly, World Market, Cost Plus. And I was like, what are those blankets over there? And they had this whole thing full of these black boxes. Like, okay, first of all, beautiful blanket. You'll see this in an upcoming makeover this weekend. Fringe detail. It's striped in all the right colors for the makeover that you'll see this weekend from a company, a small company called Sackcloth and Ashes. For every purchase of a blanket, for everyone that's sold, a second blanket is donated to a homeless shelter in the area. And then you can fill the box with items to donate to your local shelter or leave in your car to give to someone in need. And these are the like type of things that they need. I would much rather pay $100 on a beautiful cozy blanket that matches a decor perfectly, that's also going to give back and do some good, than, you know, $100 on something that's just like random, that doesn't do anything. And it was just beautiful. Anything like that I feel like is a great gift to give. So you'll also see me style this. They also had other colors, like other colorways, other stripes, other patterns. Have a World Market in your area, they have a whole stand of them. Next up is just something that I have on my list and I have been wanting, and there's rarely things on my list for people to give me, but there's cozy, chunky knit socks, especially when it's cold walking around on hardwood. I want cozy socks. Actually just got these. These are from Free People, but they were super cute. Look how beautiful. You probably saw my haul over on my blog channel. I also got these, the ones that I'm wearing right now. And my friend Denise just had some, she got a 4-pack from, I know Costco is not a small business, but a 4-pack from Costco. They were so cute. They came in like different shades of black, so black and gray, and like they were mixed. You rarely have to pay attention to sizing. It's not like clothing. So socks thrown into, you know, as stocking stuffers, an extra gift for someone is super cute. So think about chunky knit socks, because that's apparently all I want this year, is just give me all the chunky socks. The next gift idea is something that I've been getting into a lot recently. You guys have seen me build so many things because I've gotten more familiar and more comfortable with power tools. I have all of my essential pieces, like my drill bit set, my miter saw, and my circular saw, and I feel like I could conquer the world. You've been wanting to get into power tools, maybe you can add it to your wish list, or your dad or your brother or your sister or anyone that has just been wanting to do some like larger scale DIY projects. I have loved all of my pieces. They're at a great price and they're exclusively sold at Walmart, and you can watch all of the amazing pieces that I've made for my home or projects. I'm also building one in an upcoming makeover this weekend. I built a coffee table with heart tools. Definitely a great gift would be a power tool of some kind to get someone started or add to their collection. For our last gift, it's something that's sitting right behind me, and it is for the dog lovers of the world, and it is a little on the higher budget. So if it's someone like, I'm gonna give it to my mom. Ta-da! The Furbo. You guys, I love this thing. If you have someone in your family, and it comes like this is the one I got my mom. It comes in a box like this. If you have someone that is close to you and special to you that cares as much about their animals as I care about mine, a Furbo, you cannot go wrong. It is a dog camera, so you can see her. Obviously, it has night vision. At night, I can see her totally fine, and it's a live stream to my phone. And it's also two-way audio, so I can talk to her, I can hear her, it alerts me if she's barking. And then it also, out of this hole, it throws treats. So I fill it with Kinsley's treats. If she stops barking when I tell her to and she minds me, I can give her a treat. I also have like the nanny cam that alerts me if it ever sees a person. It gives me like a daily diary of her, you know, like running around seeing what she did all day, and it's super cute. Romeo actually got me this for my birthday that year. So I've had it for like two and a half years. It's been 2.5 years exactly. I love it. It's just, you can't go wrong with something like that. For other gift ideas, handmade gifts this year, it's just so special. We have extra time if you wanted to knit a scarf or make a really beautiful gift basket with some fun things that you found from like local shops, them together in a really pretty way and get creative with them. I feel like handmade gifts are, you can never go wrong with those as well, because it's just so special that you made it. So I hope this kind of gave you guys some ideas. These are either things that I'm gifting myself or things that I know I already love. So if you're anything like me or you're giving a gift to someone like me, you can't go wrong with any of these. So let's talk about giveaway. And in the spirit of helping small businesses, creative humans from around the world, I'm gonna be giving away 10 Etsy gift cards so that we can support those small businesses, support people like Jackie with her candles, amazing creatives that are trying to make a beautiful life for themselves and share their beautiful products with the world. To enter to win, I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box below. All you have to do to enter to win is comment down below on this video what your favorite holiday movie is, and then at the end of it, to enter, you have to put #giveaway so that I know that you're commenting to enter. I actually do love The Grinch. I feel like I like the movies that I like the most are the ones that I grew up with when in childhood, so like Home Alone and the Grinch. So in the description box, I'll leave all of the details on how to enter, when we're gonna pick the winner, how we're gonna pick the winner, and how we're gonna let you know that you won. But more than likely, it'll be in the community tab on YouTube and also over on Instagram. So you guys will know when you won. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. I hope you guys have decorated already. We've been enjoying these decorations for almost a month and a half now. So if you guys are just starting decorating and want some inspiration, I have 2 Decorate With Me videos on my channel. I'll link them for you so you guys can check it out. And if you want to catch up on any of our holiday vlogs, I just posted one today that I'm filming this actually. We made our holiday bucket list of all of the fun things that we're going to be doing throughout the holidays. We're also going to be posting more often over on the vlog, so I'll leave that linked for you too. MaCenna's helper. Oh, you see, bye. I just shared all the gifts with them. I told them about your Furbo and how I stalk you. We will see you guys on Sunday for a makeover, a living room makeover. Bye guys. Able to open this? Ah!